and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. Michael Lapede here, talking to you about how to file for a sole proprietor. How do you report business income as a sole proprietor? So the easy thing about this is you don't have a separate tax return. This is actually reported on your personal tax return. If you're unaware, it's actually a simple place because it's in the same place you report all your other income, whereas if you have a corporation or another entity, it's reported on a separate tax return. A sole proprietor is reported right on your T1. And it does have a separate form. The form is called a T2125, and that is the actual form within the income tax return, the T1 General. And there's a number of pages. So you're going to have your income, you're going to have expenses, you might have assets and depreciating, you might have home office and these different types of things. So there is a number of pages for this T2125. And then it gets summarized on the jacket. On the jacket of your T1, you're going to see the gross sole proprietor income and the net sole proprietor income because you're reporting all those expenses and you're trying to get that net as low as possible. So did you write off your vehicle? Did you write off your home office? Did you write off your internet, your cell phone? All those types of things, even if they're a percentage, making sure you're getting every last deduction for your sole proprietorship, okay? Now, keep in mind that your sole proprietorship will add to your income. So depending on your income, you might also pay CPP, both the employer and the employee portion on that sole proprietor income. It's just the way it works because you're technically a business at that point. And also you may need to pay tax by installments, or they might require it, or you pay interest, of course, you do have that option, but once you get to a certain threshold, because again, this is part of your overall income for your personal tax return, and it's included in the same way. So when you're filing your income tax and your T1 General, you must include the financial information and your business income on the T2125. That's where it goes. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Again, please post in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.